Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to the Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a market that's on the cusp of another explosive move. But what's driving this momentum? The answer lies in the stock market, folks. As you might recall, when the U.S. stock market started rebounding on positive expectations for trade deals, Bitcoin was quick to follow suit. Now, let's talk about why this is happening. It all comes down to macro factors that influence both markets. When there's uncertainty and potential for growth, investors tend to flock towards assets with a proven track record of success, like Bitcoin. The cryptocurrency has been driven by the same fundamental forces that push stocks higher: trade deals, interest rates, and economic uncertainty. The market is currently in a state of consolidation, waiting for the next key catalyst that will likely be the details of the first trade deal. That's right, folks, everything revolves around this announcement. U.S. officials have repeatedly stated that we can expect news on this front by the end of the week, or at the latest, Monday. So what are investors looking for? A rate below 10% would take us straight to all-time highs, and a price above 10% will likely be seen as disappointing, triggering another sell-off. That's the risk-reward dynamic we're seeing play out right now. Let's take a look at the daily chart. You can see that Bitcoin broke above the key resistance zone around the 90K level and consolidated around the 95K mark. From a risk management perspective, buyers have a better setup to position for a rally into the all-time highs, positioning themselves around the 90K level. But sellers want to see a break below this level, extending the drop towards the 85K mark. It's essential to understand these dynamics and position accordingly. On the 4-hour chart, we're seeing an expanding rising wedge. Buyers will continue to push into new highs, while sellers will look for a break lower. Watch out for the FOMC decision today. This could provide a dip buying opportunity as market participants keep a positive outlook for the first trade deal. And that's where you'll want to position yourself for maximum gains. The Bitcoin Bulletin has been providing insights into this market, and we're excited to continue sharing our analysis with you. That's all for today. Folks, stay tuned for more updates on this exciting market.